Hello everyone and welcome to GigaBits. In today's video, we're talking about Debian 13, codenamed Trixie. This is a free, open-source Linux operating system that continues the Debian legacy, but there are some things people aren't really talking about. Debian 13 now includes support for RISC v64 architecture, HTTP boot, and U-boot integration, along with improved packaging tools and fully reproducible builds through Reaper status. Essentially, Debian is working to ensure packages can be built bit-for-bit identical across systems. However, not all packages and hardware are fully supported across architectures like AMD64 or ARM64, which means some setups may face limitations. Another issue is that temporary files are now stored in RAM, which can cause performance or space problems on systems with low memory when handling large temporary datasets. As this is a major new release, some compatibility issues might appear with older software, scripts, or server configurations that depend on outdated libraries. Debian's philosophy remains focused on stability, not radical innovation, so expect incremental improvements rather than big changes. Is it worth upgrading? If you have modern hardware and want updated support, Debian 13 makes sense. But if your system relies on older software or configurations, it might cause issues and isn't recommended.